This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda Jazz Dicky. First, locate the exterior release handle, which is usually found just above the license plate. Gently press this handle upwards or inwards to release the latch. Once the latch disengages, lift the Dicky lid smoothly. It should then stay open on its own, providing easy access to your cargo area. This is the most common and straightforward method. Next, let's explore two alternative ways to open your Dicky. Many Honda Jazz models feature an interior release lever, typically situated near the driver's seat or on the driver's side door panel. Simply pull this lever to pop open the Dicky. Additionally, your key fob likely has a dedicated button for the boot release. Press and hold this button for a few seconds, ensuring your vehicle is unlocked for it to work. Sometimes, you might need to open the Dicky manually, especially in an emergency. Most Honda Jazz models include an internal manual release. To use it, you'll need to access the boot from inside the car. Look for a small lever or a glow-in-the-dark handle, usually located on the inside of the Dicky lid. Pull this handle firmly to manually unlatch the boot and open it. Finally, here are some quick troubleshooting tips if you encounter issues. First, always check for any obstructions, like luggage or debris, that might be preventing the Dicky from opening or closing properly. Second, ensure your vehicle's central locking system isn't engaged, as this can sometimes lock the Dicky. If the latch feels stiff, apply a small amount of appropriate lubricant to the mechanism for smoother operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.